Today I decided to start to use the runes, so I broke my code. This is day 9 of coding a pomodoro timer app with my own twist. Yesterday I added sounds and fixed the UI. Today I started out by removing the navbar, which I copied from UI first, and decided to make my own navbar. After that, I decided to do something different. I wanted to start using the runes that came with Svelte, such as state and derev. Initially I was just coding with the old version of Svelte where you used the $sign for states and reactivity. Today I decided to start to use the runes, so I broke my code. Yeah, it looks like a mess right now, but for good reason. Using the state and derev runes by Svelte will make things much easier for me because I don't need to do this old type of long string code when I am displaying the timer. Also the important part, which is that everything becomes reactive and we're not simply assigning new values to each and every variable. See, unlike traditional frameworks that often rely on a virtual DOM, Svelte achieves reactivity by compiling your component into a highly efficient JavaScript that directly manipulates the DOM. So now that the technical jargon is over with, this is my process of breaking my timer and fixing it again. My first problem was that I was trying to use ChatGPT to fix my syntax, and what was happening was that it was hallucinating. This when I realized that I had to lock in and solve the problem on my own, which took quite a bit. I read through the documentations and even went back on the svelte.dev course, and it helped. But ultimately, my problem was indeed syntax, and even if ChatGPT is good at fixing syntax problems, I guess today it was just not feeling it. So I tried different ways from what I already had known, and what do you know, I was able to solve it. After that, it was just a matter of changing everything to states, and I was back to where I was in the project. I tested it out with the usual tests I usually do, worked out just fine. For now. So after that, all I did was change the logo, which looks like this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Tomorrow I plan on hopefully adding more reactivity to the navbar and starting the puzzle, which I still have to figure out. As usual, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and follow for part 10.